welcome back to the channel, yet another video, and today's video is going to be very special because I'm going to break down the guitar solo that I play live for the beautiful song called Moh Moh Ke Dhaage. And yes, this one is straight from your request. It's emotional, it's melodic, and it's packed with those subtle bends and phrasing choice that really speak. Whether you want to play at home or live, there is something in here for everyone. So at first I'm going to play the whole solo in a very slower speed, so watch very carefully. So here we go. So at the beginning of the solo there's build up, so I go like this. So there is 4 count of build up. 2, 3, 4. And I'm hitting the D, open D string with the notes. There's the first line. That's the whole solo. Pretty basic, pretty simple, and pretty catchy. So yeah, let's break it down. Okay, so I'm starting on the G string on the 7th fret. That's the first melody. Really simple. There is a hit. A and G, I guess the chord. A note and G note. Then again I play the same melody. There is this a bit simple basic pentatonic line. So starting from the 9th fret, 11 on the G string, 9th fret, and 11, 10 on the B string, 12 on the B string, 10 on the E string, 12, 14, ending on the fret 14. So that's our melody. So now the first half of the solo is done. Now we're playing again for the last time the same melody that we have played before. So and there is one simple major 7 line. The basic. So starting from the 10th fret, 9, 10th fret again on the B string, then 7th fret on the B string, then 9th fret on the G string. So there is small pull off on the G string. So 10th fret on the A string, 9th fret on the E string, again 10th fret on the B string, 7th fret on the E string. So it goes like this: 10, 9, 10, 7, 7 on the B string, again 10th fret, then this small pull off. So the whole part. So our first half of the solo is done. Now we are moving to the second part. That is very straightforward. It's totally pentatonic based solo. So there is a big bend on the 10th fret, the B string. When the chords start B minor. Again, the classic blues line. So. This line is a bit tricky, but it's totally classical blues line. I hope you got it. This is a bit tricky to explain. I hope you got it. So I'll play again very, very slowly. It's totally pentatonic line on the beat minor shape. So again, there is one more line. That's the end of the solo. So again one more time, I'm going to play it very, very slowly for the top of the solo, very slowly. I hope you will get it. So I'm again playing the pentatonic line, the tricky part, very, very slowly. So watch carefully. So yeah, that's the solo I play for Moh Moh Ke Dhaage song. It's a very interesting guitar solo and I really enjoy playing this song live. So this song is one of the biggest song from our lineup, and so I hope you like the guitar solo breakdown from this song. So if this solo hits you in the feels, then hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, then please subscribe the channel for more videos in the future. And if you want more breakdown like this, or if you have any song in your mind, then drop it in the comment section, because I read every single one of them. So for this video, that's it, and I'll see you in the next video.